because o etsa tsoseletso fela ka school
le bobedi metsotso ra ga re no ya bo lesome mo ne gore no tsele pine monate jalo e tlang ka manana fa re jalo distance wa itse la boraro mo le mongwe re na le puisano mo retšeng wa station sa Motho FM mme mo letsatsing la gompieno featuring transform
yes
ke tla tlhaloganye re tla le yone step by step sa tata featuring transform mo ileng gore mo bekeng ya pele re buile jalo ka awareness kana yone temogo beke ya bobedi ra bua jalo ka traumas and triggers beke ya boraro ra bua jalo ka patterns and responsibility mme beke ya bone ra bua jalo ka building healthy relationships mme gang fela ke gore tse tsotlhe tse ke tla go di tsaya ke di latlhela mo go doctor
yes
doc le kae Biponchi
fanda gale la ta ka go mama nna ke tsoetse ntho tsa Sesotho nna ke na mama ke tsoetse ntho tsa Sesotho ntho tsa go di nkime
le tata lo ena doctor tata
le ka ntolo ke mama di kopa ke tolo ke le mama di kopa le ipe hantle le ntolo ke la ku utlwile ha o ntse o fua gore topic ke eng ke o tshwa system and nna mistress ka o itse ke pasitse ka stand 2 mistress ke re ke tlwelle le ka family ka
re teng
let's go
step by step
yes no ke tlile ke nna ke teng ke live TikTok le Facebook o nya ka mamedi wa karata
re sentse be ke pele ke re re sentse jalo ka awareness fa ke tsa potso ke ke lebisa mo go wena doctor ke batla go botsa gore na gore in self awareness ile motheo wa relationship e nngwe le e nngwe
hlalosetsa nna le mo mamedi self awareness
ke batla go tlhalosa step by step ha re bua ka self awareness re bua ka bo wena gore o a ke re mongwe le mongwe wa ikitse gape motho ke morena go ikitse wa itse gore ke khona eng ha ke khone eng di capabilities tsa ka ke tse feng di weaknesses tsa ka ke tse feng ke kae mo ke tshwarang teng ke kae mo ke tlogelang teng yaanong ke a go botsa doc gore why self awareness ile motheo wa relationship e nngwe le e
ya pele wena mamedi wa karatang e thusa when you're good when o tswa o good who in you're not good who in e thusa le o etsa choices tse right when you know or o good mona relationship or you're not good mona e thusa gore la o ntse o sheba ha re qala ka o batla when o batla ho ya ka the strong
chemistry
no not chemistry
character.
strong character you get my point because you must remember when re phela le batho re kopana le batho ha ke nyalane le wena o le o se tlago ke nyalana le personality ya hao because the real personality it's your personality not wena tlago wena bothata mara bothata ke personality November se bothata that is about batho ba ngata ba bang confused to kopana le motho o motle mara be le sa kgone ho dula sa ha o mo sheba ke the ideal person ke motho o matlang una le o smart o di flatse smart o jela ka tsaka le bona ba ma medical agent jwa le khotla ke tse di flatse a le di bodi ama mi ya tsona in ke buhloko mara o lata so most of the time re choose batho ya ka the looks kanti no the personality ya motho ke yona yo tlo phelang le yona not the person now that is why now you when you know exactly when a strong guy weak guy you choose the partner according to your strong side la so that is how the bohloko ka netore every person I tsiba you must know yourself for a good guy you are not good guy
moretsi fa do ka ntse a bua no kwa le dipotso mo hatse ke tlo go nela nako ya gore o tlo go botsa dipotso mo bekeng ya bobedi doc ra bua jalo ka di trauma and triggers khobalo le ditlhotlheletsi mme potso ke ya gore eng di khobalo kgotsa dintho di shape tsela e re itshwarang ka yone mo di relationshipeng.
The trauma, the problem ya runa, the problem ya di trauma hangata agree ki dintho tse siang dent when o kopane le ntho, when o kole ya wa e ka thula isile dent and then they tla dula until wena o ilokisa, but if o sa ilokisa it will be there forever. Most of the time the trauma ki di dent tse banteng forever. And I tell most of the time re sa dilaneng ka tsona are dilang ka tsona. That is why most of the time we but go for psychologist, go for counseling when una le problem. Now kantika na botseling you can go to psychologist for counseling o sikara relationship o sikara lenyana, but yeah for hore o lo shekua hore e ka ba ha ona di trauma na, because ka ba tseding ha o le motho o tsebe rona le di trauma until
something triggers you.
Until o ba le di triggered. Now that's when you realize that very band ntwena ne ke na nna re ke shapo ka yona, ne ke na ke overcome ka nta why overcome, and the reason also overcome it is because of how we deal na le yona. And most of us wa bona no how ka kopana le motho a seng ka relationship o tlo tsa nna ke shapo na I'm healed, no nna ke decide or I must take my time to heal and to find myself. Wa bona yone English ke itse ma I want to find myself, but the most I find myself you know how hona mohlang I am the counseling the counseling hore ba lo sheba nje ke tloetsa mohlala American e specializing kwa na kerekeng ke na le rapella batho ba sa tsebore ba demon possessed, motho ba tla le smarter le di wiki a le di kwai ha ke mo beya le tswa ba wela fatshe ona sa tsebore demon possessed because the demons tsena ne di patile ka wena. So the trauma ke dintho tse ipatang ka rona tso ka bang sure hore o be convinced hore no wena o sharp kopana le motho aba trigger dintho tse itseng ka wena o tlo qala o bona hore mar no ntse sharp. So that is all mbuhlo gore batho ba must do something. Honestly, we need to do something every time when you get an opportunity. Go for counseling, go for any. How you feel about it? I can't show or I cannot confirm or kishapo, but you prefer killing libuelin affair. Then I can create that opportunity or be let's officially hand or sharp or sharp.
Doc, mo bekeng ya boraro re buile jalo ka patterns and responsibility. Putso e latela mo ke goreng batho ba dula ba bueletsa dilo tse di tshwanang mo dikamanong tsa marato le hantse di ba utlwisa botlhoko.
Exactly.
Hey, Mamedi. Hey, it's difficult, but
sure.
Sometimes if you play Araba Mamedi, you know, na kongwe e ka se o motho le sona. What's more na le batho ba di mistake gore dintho di phitang ka baka la seo yena le sona. Ke phete ona le dintho tse batho ba ha re tsomhlala ka batho ba ratang haholo. Most ya batho ba ratang ba na le mistake ba yetsang e one e phitang. When I go upon a learner wow rata, I hesitate if I've man or the ideal person wow rata utla potaya pele, but as I interest as I show will in le rata. Most about to rata they don't mind to repeat
the
same mistake because when you go upon a limit because we're not a little rat ufana kalona and kada what doing the mistake it's the answer keep about rata because you how will our pop or get up. How go upon a November? You don't struggle to love November to Morata Pap. I trap a pillow how then how go upon happily mama it's the same thing. Tabakala seu Olensona. Said inside into some repeated into like get them Sarakan. Nagana witness and care. Koraka rata no kuri. No, get some woman alone. That is my weakness. To an extent, no kena le motho ne e ke kopaneng le yena re na le 4 months. No. 4 months eng no sona ntho tse ngata tse seng di etsahetse. Ke se ke mo introduce ke re keng o sa tsama ka koloi ya hae o sa etsa eng. You can imagine o san 4 months. 4 months. And ha ke tlanyana kgetlela bobedi ke nyetse ke kopane le motho ka December, January, February be ke nyala
3 months.
3 months be ke nyala ke be ke kanti ke tlolla jale ka 12. So most of the una le batho ba nkehang and ba sukuli once a o rata ha sukulu o rata tlo rata no then so most of the time ya bomedi hempe etsa mo repeated mistake ko se bake go se bake no a re bake fapana go if nga bua net because we keep on doing things so that all in pen and the madisa but usan on the create so na ba to o betitse o becha bo me ba becha matsatsi and then o tolo ro betitse o totile o buto o jele o kutile jole ka beetroot mamedi la tseba di kutu a jone beetroot ha totile mamelo mothonya metsa o kopana le mo you are doing the same thing le runa re le bonda so I think yengwe he ko se bake hore marwatsa ke bakila will never do this thing again re dula re dietsa and the reason why kana go tseng ke ka bakala se o runa re leng sona re le batho.
Doc ya bofelo ke building healthy relationships. Mo di relationship tse di different re choose dilo tse di different. Kapa the way ke leng ka teng a se the way motho mong a leng ka teng. But ke batla go itse gore why the differences tsa rona kana go mo di senya di relationship.
Sometimes ya pele ke tore ya pele the differences tsa rona di cause ke aruna are good ka communication.
Sure.
Because the differences di tlo dula deleting forever mo mamedi wa karata. But the problem is we are not good at communication. And the reason why we are so good at communication, one of the reasons is about Pascal Baba good at communication, keep sensitive. Re sensitive ka baka la di experiences tse tswang mo tsona di trauma tsa ntse re bulang ka tsona. Wa bona so we are so sensitive to an extent motho a bua ntho o so ilinka le eng is a trigger to an extent le nna mamedi wa karata ke hon nna wala lontse ke e show fela re ke shapo a kre gile ka ikoka ka la jwale ka tweba ka la ka ikoka ka na re ke shapo but no ha se ke na le motho ke kopaneng le ena go re ke realize gore o marona ntse se so ngile overcome and now the only thing ke gore ntho e nketsa gore ke gone di master ke re I need to be strong more than the emotions tsaka the control ke because one of the things it's about was come master of communication ke the emotions and the emotions ane when deleting the trigger one easy ke the trauma le ke bo sensitive motho sensitive o bua ntho nyane fela wa snepa wa kwata wa etsa and then ka baka la di trauma le ka baka la di experiences ka fela ntse but ke re if we can go rebe when as a person you must be bigger than your emotions. It's more of the emotion style. Or no, I'm not going to be angry. But I am not what again the emotions be required. My good about required whenever no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not. So ke ba ka ora nteka re thusang hore re skera affecta the relationship tsa rona kana go e re lekang ho tlisa the expectations tsa rona relationship ya rona it's when re ka gona master communication and communication we master only if o gona control the emotions tsa gona control my good that's all because remember ha re bua hona le dintho tse tla di bua tse tlo tlo re mona motho ka o bua ntho nkutlwang eng kwatisa but when una that is our emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence.
Because you also check motive behind because unare wa lukisa but umpile I bua ka tsela e wrong so runa re etsang re focus at tabeng ya why o bua jwalo why o tsho jwalo can't you know this person le ho jana ntsa bua ona sa bua because abata heta because ona batla o bua because abata re le se something
Pro sma mabedi le borataro metsotso moraga gore no ya bolesome moretsi ke go nna metsotso mebedi fela o latlhele potso o ilatlhela le bofifi di a thoteng di bapile e masome mararo le bongwe metsotso moraga ura eno ya bo lesome ga gona melaetsa khutso ga gona melaetsa kgatiso re tswala season 1 beke tlang season 2 ya simolola moskago any last words for season 1 ba sa nagana wa tsamaye
ke ratile se Dr. Sibuileng sa gore regulate your emotions and o regulate emotions fela fa o ikitse o le aware and awareness e tlo dira gore o ska nna le di triggers ka ntlha di traumas
sure
Very powerful.
Hi. Doc, before ba kopana le wena bosigo ka nako tsele
Yeah.
mantšwadila
Bo sa ka ntla lwana mahaurampi a re iketsa boithatelo ena ha le siko mo o mo di TikTok a re iketsa boithatelo ke le iketsa yeah no what's man like it the only thing you can have about TV relationship is a full-time job a full-time attention because le runa self personal o le motho o mosebetsi motho ke mosebetsi a le one le wena self o le one o dutse le one mo so ithiba dintho tse ngata le kelelo o ithiba so now you can imagine relationship is a full-time job e batlang a full-time attention e batlang batho ba batlo yetsa ntho that is why re gona go tsuwa go seng from Monday o tswe ka 7 o'clock o matlo e company o lo lokisa company le di message tsa company le di mistakes tsa company o sebetsane le tsona o tswe ka la bobedi tswe ka la boraro tswe ka la bohlano Friday ba bong ba be kana ka Saturday but that effort I put the relationship in forward we can run ready company tsa batho re thusa but forgetting gore le wena you are in a company relationship ya it's a company e batlang wena le motho wa le sebetse full time kona matsa ka qetela
sure thank you doc a kopaneng gape beking etla
nyetso
ke face 3 ke face 3 no ka 5 face 3 ground to
le bogile
ke nna le bogile